COI stands for a certificate of insurance. When you go to an insurance broker, not the insurance carrier, but to the broker, and you say, hi, I need to have a COI because I am providing services for the following association. That broker is going to provide that certificate of insurance. When you look at the top of this certificate, it has certain language in there that says this is basically not proof that there is insurance for that particular contractor. The only way you'll ever know if you really want to do a deep dive is you have to get the policy from that contractor's insurance carrier and then read through that. And we all know with insurance policies how long they can be. But we're trying to tell our association clients, because most of them think, oh, I got a COI, I'm good. You're not necessarily good. When it comes to major vendors that we see time and time again in this industry, if they're a major player and they've been in the business for a long time, I know they have insurance, so I'm not that concerned. It's when they start using subcontractors that I've never heard about, or maybe I've heard a little bit about them, I want an endorsement. It's important to get an endorsement because an endorsement comes from the insurance carrier itself. It doesn't come from the insurance broker. And we've seen a number of episodes over the years that insurance brokers will just submit and provide any type of a writing, whether it was true or not. So there's been episodes where the carriers wouldn't provide coverage because their claiming is that their agent didn't have the right to issue that COI. People need to know that insurance is hard. When you look at these policies, it's daunting, the amount of pages that one has to read, and most folks don't read through these pages. They're filled with what they're going to cover, and then they have exclusions everywhere. The issue is, while we understand that the normal layperson shouldn't be in a position to review these things and or make sure that items and or services are properly insured, that's what your attorney is for. Your attorney should be able to tell you about the risk, help you to decide if the risk is worthwhile transferring, and if you're willing to pay for the due diligence, have that attorney express an opinion in terms of what needs to be done. As an attorney, I think it's, of course, well worth it, but I think for all of those who are representing community associations, managing or otherwise, that's our job, is to do the best that we can to protect our clients.